Menteri katat keputua kapuli juga sokar jela ubah lakmen rembui ula ong baka jeng hikai yaki kena ake classroom kolong kabadan kam hadu kata-kata. Bak dinaman kena kandau baka sarkar kalarai ban sedang no yaki kelas nadu ke kelas 6 hadu ke kelas 12 habrok kawi ke jela. Dalam mata ke kelas kiba kelas 6 ham syopo kanya iswa online hanong bak shalong kat bak shalong kendong pan rasyane ake skul bagian page kat kum kejeng ton kam kejongki.
We have already given the order that they can open the schools, and even in the urban areas also, from the class 6 onwards, they can open, because classroom teaching is a must to engage the children, because it is there is heaven and earth when we compare the teaching through online classes and the classroom teaching. The interaction with the student, his interaction with his fellow friend, that enhance his capability and capacity also.
Hakabide bat kajing pep school jingi kena nambar kajing ta jangka lockdown ni kajing hangdamu ba rembeu long bak sukar kamdan setia kindu data lan niki record ki babiang man pen I bakatan sisa kajing pep school ni ulok kubur bakatan pat kecil nakam ta ki school bar kemjuru ya ki kena school.
I have not kept the data as such, because as you know that even the exact enrollment also, we could not do much. But I cannot rule out the possibility of some dropout is there. But we from the government will try to do whatever thing to see that the dropout is being arrested at the earliest, so that the children will not lose education.